Hi guys, today's video is a little video blog of my stay in Poland. I was invited there to be a speaker to their event, face painting event. Only a year ago there was a very first meeting when there were only 20 people, and this meeting was over twice bigger. I often go to Poland and also run workshops from time to time there, so I thought it would be a good idea to go and meet some new people and catch up with those who I know already. I decided to start record all the videos that I'm going around the world, so you have a little insight of what's happening in other countries regarding face painting. In meantime, also consider subscribing to this channel. Apart from video tutorials, I'm going to do product reviews and also my travels around the world. Whenever I'm going, I'm trying to record everything and also show what's happening. The event itself was in Krakow, but I arrived first in Warsaw and with my friends traveled together to Krakow. I really love old buildings and I always record them, and here we are all getting ready for the first day of the party. The whole event was consisting of 2 days. First day in the afternoon we had a neon party, and second day was filled in with workshops. So this is day one. We arrived in Krakow in the afternoon. Just before the party we met some girls, had our makeup done and went out for some lunch, and then it was time to go to neon party. The first thing that we had there, it was a little workshop by Arthur, who was speaking about neon face paints, about lights, and then we had a time to paint each other, to meet, just to catch up and to meet new people. This was really nice and relaxed time. I met many new people with whom I'm now friends on Facebook and meeting with them even in real life. So it was really nice and enjoyable time. The second day was very long, filled with workshops, but very productive. The day started with Karolina Nawrot presentation about hygiene at work and presentation of new products. Karolina is the owner of the shop, Centrum Animatora, and also organizer for this event, and I'm really glad that I finally get to meet this lovely girl in person. Next workshop was run by Monika Nyżdek, who was teaching how to paint beautiful flowers. Only 4 years ago there was a face painting group founded for Polish face painters, and they were hard to find each other, and now as you see this is a huge event and it is lovely to see all of them here just in one place from all over the country. Next workshop was run by Justyna Nigbor. She was teaching how to do swirls, teardrops, overall about line work. Next, there were some games, so we were split into 4 groups, and each of our group had to paint one lady in certain time. I can't remember how much time we were given. I think it's 10 or maybe 20 minutes. I know that it went very fast. This is our work of our group, and there are all of the works. It was really good fun. We had lots of quizzes and lots of other competitions, and then I think it was time for lunch. After lunchtime it was my time to do the workshop. So first I did a little talking about myself. I was talking about the face painting convention in UK, about my work in UK, how it differs from work in Poland, about my career with BBC Scotland, and generally about my face painting experience. After my presentation, I did a little workshop on dragons, or rather a few quick tips how to plan and paint a face of a dragon. And then last but not least, Anya Mental was talking about blings, how to make them and why it's worth making them. I can't remember now, I think it finished at 4 or 5 and it was running since 9 o'clock in the morning, so it was quite a long day and it was quite intense. Afterwards, some of us went for a walk to the city center of Krakow. We also went to a bar and there was actually another event happening which is called MTA, in Polish that means International Animators Fair, where I also was invited as a speaker, but this is totally different event, so I'm not going to talk about this just now. The rest is just us walking and talking, and if you fancy listening to Polish blurb, that's fine. Just continue watching. There is also me visiting theater with my mom, but it's just like just a rest of what was happening with me in Poland.
Wracamy po PPP i po MTA, część pierwsza. Jak było, Karola? Jak było, Madzia?
Nie pamiętam.
Gdzie jest druga Madzia?
Byliłam.
Naprawdę? PPP! Jutro druga animacyjny. Jutro drugi dzień zajebistej zabawy.
A w ogóle fajnie zobaczymy filma. Zobaczmy
A tam idziemy? Dobra, możemy tam iść, nie? Ja to mam Karola wszędzie, nie? Jakby odnajdziemy się. W zeszłym roku robiłam live'a w tym miejscu, tylko od drugiej strony szłyśmy. To w tym roku robimy od tej strony live'a.
Musimy iść w drugą stronę.
A mi na rękę
Nie, bo wtedy mieszkałyśmy w innym miejscu. Już podbiłyśmy Paulinka Kraków. Już wracamy do domku, położyć się do łóżka i zasnąć słodkim snem, chociaż ja podejrzewam, że po takich emocjach nie zasnę. Mega super było, bardzo dobrze było. Bardzo dobrze było, bardzo. Widzimy się, ja też się jaram. Iwa, pozdrawiamy Cię bardzo mocno. Pozdrawiacie Iwę?
Pozdrawiamy.
Tak się bawi, tak się bawi. I jutro się będzie
A z tyłu jest Kraków, główny plac, tak, sukiennice i opuszczamy. Już niestety, bo już jest następny dzień się zaczął. Tak, już dzisiaj jestem tak. Tak, już. Tak.
Tutaj? Zdjęcie chcesz? Zdjęcie.
I love traveling to different types of face painting, body painting events or to do workshops in different countries. So I'm going to post them in here whenever I'm going away. And actually I have another event that I recorded from UK this time. This is not going to be a next video, but at some point in the future. Well, this is all for today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!